Good morning, guys. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. So today what I'm going to do, we've done this before. We're going to reblend my makeup. When your makeup palette wind up breaking and you want to go out and you want to go buy a new makeup palette, you just break up all of the crumbs in your palette. You might have to add some more. So I have some of my foundation powder here. We're going to put this in and we're just going to blend all this up. And then we're going to redo it to make this. I might need some more. Like a new palette, okay? So if you don't have glycerin like I have, then use a little vegetable oil. But I'll be making my own eyeshadows and foundation. So when your foundation break and you want to fix it, you're going to need some rubbing alcohol, some glycerin, and something to press it down with. So this is makeup grade, the glycerin. It's kind of messy, but and if y'all going outside, be careful. Them wildfire, I can't even talk. Those wild fires coming from over from Canada. And I think in Eden Prairie, Minnesota, there's fires and the air quality is really, really bad. I took the dog out this morning. And normally I try to, when I ride now, I try to ride more or less early in the daylight. Like this time, because the sun be up. And when that sun is up, it'd be horrible. It's too hot to be riding. So I try to get whatever reps and training and stuff in early in the daytime before the sun gets up. But that's another thing. Like, come on, I want to break my scissors. I'd be like, oh no. That sun. When that sun is up, it is really bad. Kind of think I did a little too much glycerin, so I'm trying to mix it up good so it don't be in chunks. And then you're going to take a paper towel, okay? Take a paper towel, wrap it around another one of your smaller things so you can have something to smash it down. So if you wind up keep buying foundations and they don't match your complexion, get your banana powder and you can recreate this. Look like I put more of the stuff out than I did in. Okay, so once you start getting that in with that glycerin and start to push it down, push it down really good. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, I always spray this because that's going to make it. Okay. Let's put a little bit more because we want it to lock down. So anytime your makeup mirror break, you can fix it with a little bit of glycerin oil, any of your oil stuff. This right here is my brightening syrup that I put on for my makeup. So I'm just going to put a little bit in there. But you don't have to do that. This is only okay. So now we're just going to squeeze it. Squeeze this down really good. So what we're doing is resetting your foundation. So we're going to add a little bit more glycerin. It's going to make it stick together really well. Okay. Got the alcohol, a little glycerin on there, and press. And that's it. Then you let it dry. And once it dry, be ready to use again. So if you wind up breaking your foundation thing, you could do this. So I hope you guys are having an awesome day. I'm doing very well. And overall, I'm doing good. My therapy for my eyes is doing very well. So I'm happy about that. Retraining my eyes for that inner ear weakness. Like, you don't have an eye problem. Like I say, your vision, you're seeing well. You just got to coordinate your brain, your ears, all that together. And pressing down is going to stabilize this. Where's my alcohol? There we go. Kind of making a mess, but it's okay. So what I'm doing is just kind of cleaning up the sides of the mess that I made. So as you can see, do one more round and press it down. Make sure your napkin is very smooth. This side is more smooth. If your napkin got lumps, then your foundation gonna have lumps. So just press it down. But other than that, yeah, you can fix your makeup. If you're running low and you're like, I don't feel like running out and going to get no more makeup, you could do this definitely. And then we just let this dry. Yeah, we'll let it dry. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. So now I'm just going to let this dry, and when it dry, I'm gonna let it dry 24 hours, and then your foundation, it'll be ready for you to reuse again. So if you don't have glycerin like I do, just take a little bit of extra virgin olive oil and put that in there. But this is cosmetic grade glycerin. So when you're making lip gloss and eyeshadow and stuff like that, this one is that. So, but if you don't have that, you can use the glycerin. So the oil and the alcohol together is going to make it stick well together. So you guys have a great day. I hope y'all having an awesome day, and you have a great day. I'm just going to throw that away. Yep. Well, you guys have a really good day today, and I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, lady, if you break your palette, or if you keep buying shades that don't match you good, just break it up and add your banana powder and whatever old shades you have together to wind up getting a shade that you want for your skin. So alrighty guys, y'all have a great day. I gotta clean this up more. Toodles.